25th Infantry Battalion, station at Moncayo, Compostela, Valley Province. So, ang 25th ID, ang area of responsibility niya ay eastern portion of Moncayo, eastern portion of Monte Vista, Campos, Compostela. Then, 66 Infantry Battalion sa Lipataan, Marabusan, and eastern portion of Nabunduran, area ng 66 Infantry Battalion. Then, 28 Infantry Battalion covers the second district of Davao Oriental. Then, 67 Infantry Battalion covers the first district of Davao Oriental. Yun yung apat na maneuver battalions na under ng brigade. So, ang brigade is mas malaki pa sa battalion. Then, we have also Second Scout Ranger Battalion, Opcon unit namin, Second Scout Ranger Battalion, na naka-station sa Mabini, Mumbal. Then, we have also Alpha and Bravo companies of 72nd Infantry Battalion. Under namin. Tapos we have also 21st Light Armor Company